I met you in the sun, saw my plans come undone.
Sunny at Shadel, nandito kayo ngayon dahil sa pag-ibig ng Diyos. Pag-ibig ang natatanging rason sa ating pagdiriwang sa hapong ito sa pagtitipon natin.
Got married in the spring. And the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight.
Love is empty, incomplete, without forgiveness. Kung nagmamahal ka at hindi ka marunong magpatawad, hindi tunay na pag-ibig yan. Dahil ang tunay na mukha ng pag-ibig ay nakaukit sa krus. At ano yung pag-ibig na yan? Ang pag-ibig na handang magpatawad paulit-ulit upang mapanatili ang tibay ng samahan.
Nagkakilala kami ni Shadel sa Pedro E. Diaz High School. Mag-classmate kami nung first year.
Hindi ko din alam kung paano nagsimula. Parang third year, fourth year, naging close kami. Tapos yun, college na naging kami. Second year college. Tapos magkaiba pa kaming school.
Oh, yung gift na yan, magagamit na yan. Parang sa damit. Oh, para hindi na kayo nilalamig.
Thank you! Ayos!
This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My I howled at the moon with friends, and then the sun came crashing in. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Hi B, sana magustuhan tong regalo ko sa'yo. Gamitin mo to sa pag-capture ng ating mga kakaibang moment at adventure. Pati sa ating honeymoon, I love you, Sunny. Thank you B. Marami tayong pictures na naman na ika-capture dito. I love you.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Ang tagal ko nang gusto to na hindi ko pa inabutan i-check out sa Lazada. Hindi ko inabot yung discount. Kaya hindi ko siya check out. So yun, thank you dito. I love you.
Calling outside my window, I feel it in my soul. The stars were burning so bright, the sun was out till midnight.
Alam ko, excited ka na. Ito yung pangarap mo, no? Maglalakad ako sa aisle. Ito na yun. Ito na yung best day natin. See you later. I love you today, tomorrow, and the rest of my life. Alam mo yan.